Good morning, guys. This is Patrick from Guangzhou Specialty Machinery. So today I would like to introduce our perfume series machines for you. So behind me is our semi-auto perfume machines. From the left to the right is the perfume filling machines, the perfume crimping machines, and the perfume colloaring machines. So this is camera take here. So this is our perfume mixing tank. So after the perfume is finished, so we need to pack in the perfume bottles. So here is our filling and packing lines. So the first one is the perfume filling, perfume crimping, and perfume colloaring. So this is more suitable for the this is more economic solutions suitable for the budget limited clients. And beside that, we also got the more high-end designs, the automatic perfume filling machines, which have 3-in-1 functions, including like the perfume fillings, the perfume crimping, and the perfume colloring. So now let me introduce more details of the perfume series machine for you. So camera follow me. So the first one is the semi-auto perfume filling machines, and camera take closer to view some details. So you see, all the parts contact with the perfume bottles is the stainless steel 316, and the other part is the stainless steel 304. So we got the really durable perfume qualities, right? And the machine is the sand liquid level filling machines, which means once you put 4 bottles behind the filling nozzles, and the filling machines fill 4 bottles at one time, and it came out 4 perfume bottles with the same liquid levels. So it's really delicate. And besides that, it also the technology of this machine is the negative pressure filling machines. So it has no filling range. From 5 ml to 500 ml, it all can fill because it's driven by the negative pressure. And let's see, here is the let's see behind. So here we got the 3 perfume tubes for you. You can use a tank, perfume storage tank, and you put the tubes inside your perfume storage tanks, and the machine will automatically suck the perfume to the filling nozzle by the negative pressures. And here we also got the smart PLC control panels. Cameras come here. So we also got the smart PLC control panel. Instead of some the simple designs with the button control, no, we got the smart PLC panel for you. You can set how many volumes perfume you want to fill into the perfume bottles, how fast you want the perfume fill. So all can set in this perfume, the smart PLC control panel. And here is the emergency start button. If the machine stuck or has something emergency happen, you just need to press this emergency start button and the machine will automatically stop. And here is the so before the machine use, you need to equip with the air compressor and connect the air compressor with here, and the machine is driven by the air. Okay, so after the fillings, your workers grab the perfume bottles here. So the first step is the perfume crimping machines. Here you can adjust the height according to your perfume bottle height and your perfume bottle size, and adjust the height, and the perfume bottles press here, put here, and you will have a strong power to grab your caps, and when you finish it and you come to the next step, here is the perfume colloring machines. It also can adjust the height once you put and then grab, and the machine and the perfume bottles is finished. Okay, and here the perfume crimping machine and the perfume colloring machine also need to also need to connect with the air compressor, because you know the perfume is contain lots of the alcohol, and the alcohol is really sensitive with the electricity, so all the machine is driven by the air. And here we got the pedals here. You can put the pedals right on the ground, and your workers can use their foot to like press, and the machines will automatically working. So here, so this is more economic functions for the small or the medium size factories, and more economic. And if you got a more larger production demands or requirements, I would recommend you to choose our fully automatic perfume 3-in-1 fillings, crimping, and colloaring machines. Okay, so now cameras follow. Yes. And let me explain how this machine is working, right? So first, the worker set here, you put the perfume bottles on the mold, and here you see it, this is our universal and adjustable mold. You can loosen the screw to adjust the mold, right? No matter how big or how large your bottles, it all can fit. You don't need to spend the extra money to buy another mold. You see, here you can adjust the size. It's the universal. Yeah, you see, it's really flexible. Okay, and once your perfume put in the mold, no, actually this one is not correct because it changed the position. This one, you see, we got mold here. It's really adjustable. Yeah. And then lock it. It's really flexible, and you can adjust to the size of your perfume bottles. Okay, so when the perfume bottles put in the mold and then come to the next step, besides the perfume fillings, the perfume crimping, and the perfume colloaring, here also got the air washing machines. The perfume bottles come to here, and the air will blow into the container to blow out the dirty things and blow out the dirt, and then the perfume bottle come to the next step. Here is the perfume filling machines. Two stations perfume filling machines. Here to fill it up. So after the perfume fill in, and here you see. And here when the machines is in installation, here we put our vibration stations here, and the vibration platform will automatically transfer the spray prompts go to this channel, and then here is the spray prompts put in our vibration platforms here, and the spray prompts will follow the instruction and then slowly transfer into here, go to this spray pumps channel, and then it automatically load the spray pumps into the bottles, and then and then here is the spray pumps crimping machines, and then go to the next station, and then go to the next station. Here we also got the press. Here we also got a platforms here, the vibration platform. Place the press here, it auto transfer into this channel. Come here and then drop into the perfume neck, and then go to the next step is the perfume. Colloaring, and then the perfume. Here we got a rubber hands here. Automatically go down and pick up the perfume and then transfer to here. So this is more high efficiency. And the cameras come here. You see, on the upper part, all is adjustable. And here we got the PLC control panel, and our PLC control panel is from the Germans, the German Siemens brand. It also is quite flexible, 316 degrees, and you can move to the outside Yeah, and then you can set the filling volume, the filling time, the filling speed, and it all can achieve on this panel. Okay, so here is my brief introduction of the semi-auto perfume filling machines with the fully automatic perfume filling machines. This one we separate, and this one is 3-in-1. So if you are interested on such machines, and you can send your inquiry to me, and I will make a really detailed offer for you. So thanks for your watching. Okay, goodbye.